Welcome to my channel, Quizzy Bee. How good is your general knowledge? You'll have to answer 36 questions of general knowledge to find out. Before starting, please subscribe to our channel for more exciting quizzes. How many continents are there on Earth? 7. What metal is liquid at room temperature? Mercury. What is the largest desert in the world? Which chess piece can only move diagonally? Correct, it's the bishop. What is the national flower of India? Yes, it's the lotus. Which country has the highest population in the world? It's India, with over 1.4 billion inhabitants. What is the largest ocean in the world? Bravo, it's Pacific Ocean. Which organ removes excess water and waste from the blood? The kidneys. What is the position of the Earth relative to the Sun? It is the third planet after Mercury and Venus. How do plants convert light into energy? Photosynthesis? Awesome. Which country gifted the Statue of Liberty to the United States? You've got this, it's France. Which of these colors is not one of the primary colors? It's green. When is Halloween celebrated? October the 31st. Which is the smallest planet in our solar system? Mercury. Ophidiophobia is the fear of? The fear of snakes. How many teeth does an adult human have? Yes, it's 32. What is this fruit? It's mango. Which country is the birthplace of the Renaissance? Italy, right? How many faces does a cube have? 6, great. What is the highest peak in the world? It's Mount Everest. What is the unit of measurement for electrical resistance? Ohm. When did the Second World War end? It's 1945. How many stripes are there on the U.S. flag? There are 13. What is the scientific study of mushrooms called? Mycology. Which is the largest moon in our solar system? It's Ganymede, a satellite of Jupiter. What is the name of this animal? Koala. Which country is famous for its tulip fields? It's the Netherlands. In which city is the Colosseum located? The Colosseum is located in Rome. The sun is a star, a moon, or a planet? A star. Which country is this flag from? Slovenia. In which country was the sauna invented? It was invented in Finland. Flamenco originates from which country? Yes, it's Spain. What is the capital of Canada? Bravo, it's Ottawa. What is the chemical symbol for sodium? What is the currency in Japan? It's yen. In what year did the Titanic sink? Correct. It's 1912.